Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Obsessed package. What I've simply got here is mini quick release on the lances going in on the outlet of the gun lance. I've got the MIDI stainless on the inlet to the actual trigger, ST2615, ceramic seat, stainless steel ball, chemical resistant and acid resistant trigger, LFT low trigger force system with stainless steel swivel. This swivel will work either with the trigger pulled or the trigger letting go of. So while using the machine with the trigger pulled, it will still swivel, and when you let go of the trigger, it will still swivel then. We've got a spare stainless steel mini there, so that can go into the snow foam bottle. You've got the jet, 40 degrees, depending on your machine. It could be an 04, it could be an 035, it could be an 03, depending on what machine you're using. We will need to know that information. Ergonomic lance. The lance itself has got a slight bend, as you can see. Thank you very much. Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.